yan? Lalaki? Literal yan, buntis. Yan, ano? Oo, na lalaki. Pero kung sinabi mo, physical sense, babae o lalaki, when we are pregnant with goodness, when we are pregnant with God, we give birth to goodness, we give birth to iluwa ng Diyos sa salita at sa lupa. So ano ngayon ang ating New Year's resolution? 2012.
Walang ulit. Trip pa rin.
Ulit.
Wala. Ikaw naman.
Ikaw naman.
Ikaw muna, dali. Dali game. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy New Year!
Walang katawan, Kay. Teka lang, ulit. 1, 2, 3. Game na pala.
Happy New Year! Close your eyes, bow your heads. New Year 2000.
Sorry.
And as we honor the solemnity, as we honor Mary, celebrating her as the mother of Jesus, as the mother of God.
Happy New Year.
Daya! Walang na yan, Kay.
Huwag yung galawin.